Trading is not easy, but with the right foundation in trading, you are going to understand everything deeper than you think. Earlier this year, January, I get a PDF of a trend line breakdown strategy system. I began studying it. Throughout the month of January, I was just studying it. I was not using it in the market. At the month of February, I purchased a 5k growth funded profit account, which I do a video about it on this channel. And during the month of January, I was using indicator to trade, exponential moving average. And from December, I have been thinking, I've gotten this PDF from December, and I've been thinking about changing from using indicator to technical analysis to be using in the market, to stacking it. Throughout the month of February, I was making a loss and giving it back. I was making a loss and profit, giving profit back to market, taking a loss. Throughout the month of February, I was down with only 1%, not close to 1% on that account. Throughout the month of March, everything changed. Everything, how I look trading changed. What I learned before is to have a fixed lot size, risking 0.5 or 1% of the account. All this, I just learned it. I did not implement it. I did not experience it from the market by myself. But right now in this video, from April 6 to April 10, I'm going to be showing you the trade that I took. Although most of this trade I not took it, but I'm so happy that this trade goes well that as I expected, and I use the strategy that I have learned. As I get the PDF, inside this PDF that I'm talking about, inside this PDF there are a lot of things. I study everything. It is 63 pages PDF. I study a lot of things inside this PDF. Trend line breakdown strategy. I study everything inside this PDF, and I take what worked for me and what did not work for me. And after studying this finish, I still incur some losses, and I look at it. Let me check my trading history. I check my trading history. After checking my trading history, I discover what remains that's making me the losses that I'm incur. But here is my trade for this week. Let me show you. Losses are part of the game. To understand it, you are going to understand every other thing that you need to understand that is making you the losses back end. This is giving me a sign as I'm making a loss, for me to take a good decision that I say I'm going to be leaving this indicator exponential moving average that I'm using to trade. Although it is giving me money, but I need to make this indicator because most time indicator is to lag. I need a technical analysis that I can use market, that I can use and analyze and put a good setup in the market. Me trading this account, purchase the account month of February 7th, the month of February. I purchased the account. I trade this account. I did not lose the account throughout the month of February. The month of March, I did not lose it, giving me a sign that my risk management is good. And when I review all my trade, I discover that my risk management is far good than has reduced what to call risk. After the account on each trade, maybe I'm losing about $10, $8. I can see that I'm not risking anything much. At the time, throughout the February and March, when I'm making these losses, I learned a lot of things from my strategy as I'm trading top pairs before I eliminate this. When I go through all my trade history on MT5, I discover that two pairs that I trade, all of them making me more losses, and I eliminate that to two pairs, which is GPUSD and EURUSD. I do a video last week where I talk about what you are going to be seeing on this channel. You can do it to go and check out the video. Now, I'm going to be breaking down the trade that I took this week. April 6th, Monday this week. See two trade opportunity, USD and EURUSD. I see two trade opportunity on them. On GBPUSD, I see a quality setup, and I took that trade, and in 30 minutes it did take profit. This is where I now understand this is my account. I'm not risking anything. This is low. This is not called risk anymore. Limited the risk. Use two lot size, and the trade went to take profit. Which if I had used a good proper risk management, where I risk 0.5% of the account or set of the account, I make profit faster. On UGPUSD, I took the trade and I get to take profit. I'm going to show the screenshot of the UGPUSD trade right here, and I also saw another opportunity on EURUSD, but I did not took that. I only take two trades on GBPUSD, and afternoon I also see one opportunity on GBPUSD which I take down with little lot size, and I took stop loss it at break even. So that's just it trade that I took on Monday. I'm going to be showing the screenshot of the GBPUSD second. Tuesday, not took any trade. Here is why I did not took any trade. Not that I don't see opportunity in the market. I see opportunity, but one reason I did not took the trade. Number one major reason that I did not took the trade on GBPUSD and EURUSD that I trade on Monday. Why I did not took any trade on them on Tuesday and I see opportunity. I was thinking about other thing the time I want to trade. It's not supposed to be. That is when if you are thinking about any other thing you're supposed to trade, I not see setup. The trend line, as I said in my previous video, I must see first touch, second touch, third touch. Trend line, as I'm thinking about other thing on the trade. Although I not took any trade, I not took any loss, but I learned I did not think about any other thing where I'm on the trade, where I'm on the chart, a trade to analyze and place a trade. I see first touch, second touch, but I'm waiting for the third touch to come and touch. But during this time, the third touch has occurred, but I didn't know because I was thinking about that thing where on the chart analyzed this trade plays out, and I drop everything on my Telegram channel. I'm going to be showing the screenshot of the two trades. This is the GBPUSD and this is the Euro USD screenshot of the both trade, but I not took any trade on GBP USD. Go to my Telegram channel to go and confirm this, because I drop all these trade that I'm talking about. I drop it there. Wednesday I took one trade on Euro USD when I am able to be discovering more that number one major reason that is still making me the losses are all the effort that I've put in about any other thing while on the chart when I want to analyze. Discover that I have been discovering that, in trading, when you discover something, you need some time to be trying to eliminate it, prove what works for you more. Wednesday I also took some losses, but I only take one trade, Euro USD, which I took this on that trade. Happened is that I was also thinking about other things while on the chart, which I'm trying to eliminate. This new week I'm going to eliminate that for my trading system. I have already have a trading edge and trading rule, which is giving me more confidence that if I see any trade I can take. On this account that I'm talking about, I'm down about 5% of the account. If I'm down about 5% of the account, I'm able to recover 1% this week. Of 6% before, I'm able to recover 1%, which remain like 5% to up on the account. And I also realized that me risking 25% on trade needed 5 to 10 trades to pass the challenge account. So I lost this account that I'm currently trading now. I still have the confidence that even if I lost the account, the confidence and the experience that this account I've used this account to get from the month of February and March is enough for me, pay me back the money that I used to purchase account. So I've been getting, I know I cannot blow this account to lack of proper risk management, but if I blow this, I'm sure that I cannot blow this account. I'm very sure about that. On Thursday I took trade on USD, which also to stop loss. What happened on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday that I took these losses that I was thinking about on this trade while I'm analyzing. And on GBP USD, I did not took any trade on Tuesday and Thursday. So on Thursday that I took the losses, I only took the loss on Euro USD. And on Friday, guess what? I know what make profit on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I eliminate that. On Friday, I come into the market with full focus. Coming to the market with full focus, guess what? I make a profit on GBP USD and Euro USD, which I send the trade. I use 1:3 for each trade, and I use 0.1 loss size, which I'm risking about 50, not up to 7.5% of the account on each trade, risking about 7.3% of the account on each trade. Guess what? The trade it take profit, which I send everything to my Telegram channel. This is the screenshot of the USD, and this is the screenshot of the Euro USD, which went to my take profit. So right now, let me take you to my chart and show you this being I have focus. I focus on my chart. I'm not thinking about it. Will I make profit this week? Though I did not make the profit, but I get the experience that I know that I don't think about any other thing on the chart. I'm going to make this profit so far. So if you are new to the channel, do it to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and if you have any question, comment it below. It take you to my chart and like all my charts for this week on GBP USD and Euro USD.